Alright guys, so today what we're going to be doing is installing these side steps on my dad's F150. It's a 2018 to 2020 model. I'm sure it's all the same for all F150s pretty much. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this installed. So you got these plastic washers. On there. And then you put that there like that. Go ahead and put all those on first if you want. Comes with two different metal washers. Now some are smaller diameter, so the wider diameter is for these. You put that there. The 3 washers, 1, 2, 3. Then you put your 3 nuts. So no point to showing every single one. Just do that to every one. There's 6 of them. All right, so all those are on there, and then you're gonna need a 1/2 inch socket to tighten them up. 1/2 inch deep socket. Doesn't really fit, so I'm gonna need so there's a notch in here, and you're gonna need three of these. So 2. 2 on each side, and they'll just go right in here. Set it on top and line up all the screws. And it falls right in here. See, there's 2 different size washers, so you use the little one.
You can slide it where you want it to adjust it.
And I'll line it up with
the front door will look good.
Perfect. Tighten them bolts underneath. There. 10 mil for the bolts underneath this. And it says like 10 to 12 or 12 to 14 foot-pounds. So I'm sure it doesn't gotta be too tight, but do that to all of them and you're all done. Very easy. So if you ever want running boards, anybody can install that. Don't ever pay someone to do that. You don't even gotta jack up the truck, you just lay underneath. So this is a 5-liter. Trying to get him to race me in my EcoBoost just to see, but both 2019s.